And again, as Charlie mentioned, zone trades. Zone trades going to be coming out throughout the day as we're trying to look for some scalping opportunities in the market. After the close today, earnings to be mindful of is going to be Nvidia. So if we do catch something in Nvidia, as far as the zone trade is concerned, make sure you don't hold it, right? And we just put that out there. These trades, we do not recommend you hold them at all, right? So these zone trades, right? We have position trades that you can stay in for a longer period of time.
RKDA guys, RKDA starting to move.
Yeah. Tim, that's great, right? And that's exactly what I was talking about, adapting, right? What's the market doing, right? What am I doing? What's my thought process, right? The market's always right, right? So you have to flow with that. So I love that. I love that. Yeah, good, Kim.